Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys heard of man-made diamonds yet? Or lab-created diamonds? They're not CZ, they're not moissanite, they're not crystal. They really are diamonds. They have the same optical and physical properties as an earth-grown diamond, except that they are grown in a lab. I'd been reading about them and hearing about them for a while, but I didn't actually purchase any until this company called Lightbox came around and they started selling them online already set in jewelry. I know for me, as a person that likes gemstones and jewelry, the best thing about a diamond for me is the sparkle. I think nothing sparkles quite like a diamond, and also the durability, because diamonds are a 10 on Mohs scale of hardness. They're just as hard as it can get for a gemstone. So these do have that. They have the exact same sparkle and they're very durable, and you don't have to worry about where the diamond comes from. You know it comes from a lab in Oregon. So I decided to purchase a 1 carat bezel set diamond pendant from Lightbox Jewelry, and I want to do an unboxing and a review for you. They have an outlet section on the website, and this was from the outlet. It was $700. So I will go ahead and get the box and start unboxing for you, and then I'll tell you what I think. Here's my box. It just arrived by FedEx. I'm just opening the box for you and making sure that it is turned the right way. Here we go. It's taped shut and there's the logo. Let's take this off. It's hard to get this tape off. There you go. Ta-da! Ooh, it's tipped over. Let's see. I'll take it out. Oh, it's pretty nice. Sorry about my hands, I just put lotion on. There you go, it's upright. My first impression is that it looks pretty good. Here is the actual box. We're getting like a weird reflection then, but you can see it's pretty sparkly. And then the top of the box, it has the logo, the Lightbox logo. I'm going to take it out of the box for you so you can get a better look at it. It's pretty. So here it is, kind of throwing off some fire. It's hard to do that. I have to really move the camera to show the sparkle. And here it is, just under some outdoor lighting. And here, trying to make some rainbows for you to see. I think it's really nice. I mean, the cut seems nice. The color's not bad. I like the setting, the round part around the stone. I'm not so sure about the chain. And here it is sitting on its box. The best part of this product is that it's a very nice diamond for a good price, so it's a very good value, and I would recommend purchasing from Lightbox. The worst thing is I really can't stand the chain. It's very thin and chintzy, and I'm really thinking of having it having a new chain put on. But and also something to remember is that when you buy the product, it's going to have a small label, and you can return it when the label is still on it, but once you take off that label, you can't return it. So just keep that in mind. But the diamonds that they sell, they're really nice.